Many people are familiar with a VA loan and the low or no down payment, but it's much better than that. A VA loan can be used to purchase a home over $1 million and still with no down payment and competitive rates. This is Selland with Signet Mortgage, and I'm here today to highlight the benefits of a VA loan. If you are a veteran and served this country, first, thank you very much for your service, and second, there are many outstanding benefits that come with using your VA home loan to refinance or buy a home. The VA home loan offers unbeatable benefits for veterans. For those who qualify, the VA loan program is the best possible mortgage. It's backed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs and is designed to help active military personnel, veterans, and certain other groups become homeowners at an affordable cost. The VA loan asks for no down payment, it requires no mortgage insurance, and has lenient rules about qualifying among the other advantages. Benefit 1, no down payment. Most home loan programs require that you make at least a small down payment to buy a home. The VA loan home is an exception. Rather than paying 5, 10, 20% or more for the home's purchase price, with a VA home loan, you can finance up to 100% of the home's purchase price. The VA loan is a true no money down loan option. Benefit 2, no mortgage insurance. Typically, lenders require you to pay for mortgage insurance if you make a down payment that is less than 20%. This insurance is known as private mortgage insurance, PMI, or for a conventional loan, and mortgage insurance premium, or MIP, for an FHA loan. This protects the lender in the event that you default on your loan. VA loans require neither down payment nor mortgage insurance. That makes VA-backed mortgages very affordable up front. Benefit 3, government guarantee. There's a reason why the VA loan comes with such great terms and no mortgage insurance. The federal government guarantees that a portion of the loan will be repaid to the lender even if you're unable to make the monthly payments for any reason. This guarantee allows lenders to offer the VA home loan with very attractive terms and rates. Benefit 4, the variety of VA mortgages. A VA loan can have a fixed rate or an adjustable rate. You can also use your VA loan to buy a house, a condo, a new home, a manufactured home, a duplex, and other properties. You also have the option to use your VA loan to refinance your existing mortgage, make repairs or improvements on your home, or make it energy efficient. Benefit number 5, it's easier to qualify for it. Like all loan types, the VA loan requires specific documentation, an acceptable credit history, and sufficient income to make your monthly payments. But as compared to other loan programs, the VA loan guidelines tend to be a little more flexible. This is made possible because of the VA loan guarantee. Benefit 6, closing costs are lower. The VA limits the closing costs that lenders can charge in a VA loan applicants. This is another way a VA loan can be more affordable than other types of loans. Hey, conserve those funds and use them for decorating, furniture, moving cost improvements, or whatever on your new home. Benefit 7, the funding fee flexibility. The VA loan requires a funding fee, which is an upfront cost based on your loan amount, type of eligible service, down payment, as well as some other factors. Funding fees don't need to be paid as cash. The VA allows it to be financed with a loan, so nothing is due at closing. A VA funding fee can be waived for veterans who receive disability compensation and for unmarried surviving spouses of veterans who died in service or as a result of service-connected disability. Benefit 8, VA loans are assumable. This means you can transfer your VA loan to a future homebuyer if that person is also VA eligible. Assumable loans can be a huge benefit when you go to sell your home in the future, especially in a rising rate environment. If your home loan today has a low rate and market rates rise in the future, the assumption feature of your VA home loan becomes even more valuable. So, if you're looking to buy a home or refinance a home, give me a call and I can help you. Particularly if you're a VA veteran, we can help out and do a lot. Anyhow, you can connect with me down at the information that's at the bottom. I look forward to speaking with you. Take care.